Hi students, in this video we will discuss about question number 3 onwards. I will try to cover more questions, but let's see how many questions we can cover in this video. So let's start with the third question of this 12.2 exercise. Third question is Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in figure. So this is the diagram given in our book, which is actually picture of an aeroplane made up of colored paper. So there are 5 parts in it, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then they have written find the total area of the paper used. What will be the total area of paper used? She used paper in these 5 parts of aeroplane. So area of paper used is actually area of sum of area of these 5 parts. So one by one we will write their areas. In that we will add their areas and get answer of this area of paper used in this aeroplane. So let's start it. First one. Let's mark few values in it. Here 5 5 means two sides are given 5. Then here in this side 6 given, and these fourth and fifth part they are exactly the same. So we have to mark their values in the proper way. First of all, this is given 6 centimeters. Here also you have 6 centimeters. Then they are right angled triangles. So we have their length equal to 6 centimeters. Next, here 1 given, so it will also be 1 centimeter. Then they are given 1 each. We have all the dimensions. Let me see what is the value given for this triangle. Let me check once this value. So we will go further for then its calculation. It is 1.5 centimeter given. Here also it will be 1.5 centimeter then this length. So we have their values now. So now our calculation will start for their area. So we will start from first part, area of part 1. Area of part 1. But when you write area, make a heading, then tell about the shape, which shape you have. So it is actually a triangle. We are not going to write its name. We will treat it as area of part 1. But we will write its name. What is this? It is actually a triangle. So I am going to draw separate its diagram. It is with 5 5, 2 sides and 1. So they are in centimeters. I am marking in centimeters. Let's write its sides as small a, small b and small c. Anyone you can mark as A, anyone as B, anyone as C. So I am writing these as ABC. Write them 5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Then we always write semi-perimetrous. It is sum of all the 3 sides over 2. 5 plus 1 plus 5 over 2 centimeters or 11 over 2 centimeters. Keep as it is whatever you have. Therefore by Heron's formula will be actually helpful for area. So therefore area of part 1. You can mention part 1 means a triangle. So it is a triangle. Area S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Then S 11 over 2. 11 over 2 minus A means 5. 11 over 2 minus 1. 11 over 2 minus 5 centimeter square outside. It is 11 over 2. What about LCM of these two? 11 over 2 and 5, 2. 11 minus 10. Similarly here LCM is 2. 11 minus 2. Then 11 minus 10 over 2 centimeter square. Next we have to write this again. See what is the calculation? It will be 11 over 2 into, this will give 1 over 2, then 9 over 2, lastly also you will get 1 over 2 centimeter square outside. See, 2 4 times. So we will write 1 over 2 into 2, 2 times out because it is in the denominator. So what is left with you inside? 11 into 9 centimeter square. So it is 11 into 9. So and square root of 9, what is square root of 9? 3 over 4. Then square root of 11 centimeter square. But we have 11 here. Is it possible to find answer of 11 square root? we will find its square root and mention answer of this part. So I'm going to erase this part. We will calculate answer of square root 11. So square root of 11, 3 into 3, 9, 2 left, double of 3 is 6. Here we need a pair of zeros, decimal here. Then it will be 200. It will go on 3, 189. 11 left, again a pair of zeros, 1100. Double of 3 is 6, 66. Will go on 1, 661. It will go give a here 339. Sorry, 439 because it is 1100. So 439, again one more pair of zeros, 43900. So what about double of this unit place? 1's double is 2, 662. Then we will try it for 6 or 7. So let's solve it by using 7 first. Let's see what answer is coming for this calculation. So it will be, let me write it 6627. For example, if I write 7, 49, 4, 14 plus 4, 18, 1 left, 43, 3, 4 left. It will be more. So we will try with 6 here, 6, 6, 2, 6. It will go on 36 here, 3, 15, 1 left, 37, 3 left, 33. So it is, no, let's see what answer will, 39. It will be 39, 39756. You don't have any need to check what remainder will be here, but you have 3 decimal places, so write them. So I'm going to finish its answer. So area of part 1, area of part number 1, which is triangle, it is 3 over 4 into this answer 3.316, or we can solve it further, 3 over 4 into 3316 over 1000. Now if possible cancel, it will go on 4. 832, 1 left, 11, 2, 8, 3 left, 9. So it is 3, 9, 27, 2, 8, 2, 4, 8, 7 over 1000 or 2.487 centimeters square. So its answer is 2.487 centimeters square. So I have answer of first part. Now I will go for part number 2. So I am writing area of part 2. See what is part number 2. I am going to erase this part also. What is part number 2? Part number 2 is like a rectangle, see, in which you have 6.5 length here and this one given as 1. So this is part number 2. What will be its area? We can say it is a rectangle. And you know what is the area of rectangle? Area of part 2, which is a rectangle. Its formula, what is area formula? Area's formula is length into breadth. So it is product of these two values, 6.5 centimeter into 1 centimeter, and answer will be 6.5 centimeter. Easiest one. So its answer is 6.5 centimeter square. We have two areas with us. Now the next one, part number 3, which is the most important part here, and the long calculation is of only this third part. See what is given in third part. I am going to draw again the diagram. So diagram for this third part. Third part is like a trapezium. So I am writing here, okay. Area of third part. So area of part 3. What is this third part? Trapezium. It is a trapezium. So make a heading here, okay. So then write the values. It is 2 given, 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. But directly there is no formula for area of this third part. There is something required here. So we will give it name first. Give it name ABCD in this way. Let ABCD be the given trapezium. So let its name is ABCD, in which you have all these sides given: AB 1, BC 1 centimeter, CD 2 centimeters, and AD 1 centimeter. Then you need one more thing here, that is a construction here. I will draw a line here from B parallel to this AD. I will draw a line B from B towards this E, so that this BE intersects CD at E. Okay, this left part, this part will be a parallelogram, so we will mark it. Draw BE parallel to AD. A BE parallel to AD we mark. Okay, therefore ABED, this figure ABED will be a parallelogram because its opposite sides are parallel. You can give a reason here because AB parallel to DE and AD parallel to BE. You can give reason, otherwise no need, it is a parallelogram. Because we are not going to write about geometries work here, we are going to solve it. So, if it is a parallelogram, therefore, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. And if opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, we can say AB equal to D, and AB equal to D means each equal to 1 centimeter, so it will also be 1 centimeter. And also we can say AD equal to B, they are also 1 centimeter each, then it will also be 1 centimeter. Now there is a calculation after this, see. Therefore we can say, what about this part, EC part? How will you find EC? EC will be total length CD minus this D, or 2 centimeter minus 1 centimeter, it will give 1 centimeter. So here also you have 1 centimeter. Now time is to write few things. One more thing you need from B, draw a perpendicular. From this B, draw a perpendicular to which we can give name as BM. So we will write here now, draw BM perpendicular on, this is perpendicular on whole line DC. So BM is perpendicular on DC. Remember it. Now I am going to write its answer. So I am going to erase it once, this part, and see what answer will come for this. First of all, we will consider this triangular part only. Here it will be our main area which we are going to calculate first, in which you have each side 1 centimeter. So now in triangle BEC, BC, EC and BE, they all are 1 centimeter each. Therefore, this triangle BEC is an equilateral triangle. And if it is an equilateral triangle, what is the area of an equilateral triangle? We discussed in very first question of 12.1. We can say, therefore, area of triangle or equilateral triangle BEC, it will be square root 3 over 4 into side square. You used as A in place of side, so it is square root 3 over 4 into side means 1 centimeter square, or ultimately you will have 3 over 4 square centimeter square for this. Now this is only calculation of area of this part, but in this part also you have a perpendicular, this BM. We marked it as a perpendicular here. Again we will try to write its area with new formula. Again, area of equilateral triangle BEC, but now I will use half into base into height formula. This is formula number 2. But here when you solve it, base we can use as EC and its height is BM. But you have EC with you which is 1 centimeter, but you don't have BM. And why we are doing this? Actually we want to find height of trapezium. That's why we are doing this. We are writing area 2 times for the same figure. Diagram is same. So in 2 formulas I tried to find answer. In one I found answer. In one we are not able to find answer. So, but their answer should be same. So we will put them equal. We will write here. I am going to erase it. There is a lack of space, but we have to utilize it in proper way. So therefore, but we can say this half into 1 centimeter into BM should be equal to square root 3 over 4 centimeter square. 1 times centimeter cancelled. Then BM equal to square root 3 over 4 into 2. It will be 2 cancelled, square root 3 over 2 centimeters. But one thing is clear. What is square root 3? It is 1.732 over 2. You should remember value of this. And when you divide it, it will give 0.866 centimeter square. This is actually length of BM, or we can say height of trapezium. So we have height of trapezium. Now we are going to write area of this trapezium. Therefore, area of part 3, which is trapezium. Now write its formula. Half into sum of parallel sides. What are the parallel sides? AB and DC. So sum of parallel sides into height, which is BM. So half into parallel sides are 1 and 2 into BM, which is 0.866. So it will be 3 over 2 into 0.866. Now what will come as an answer? So it will go on to 3 into 0.433. Now multiply 9, 9, 12. So it is 1.299 centimeters square. So it is 1.299 centimeters square. This is area of third part. Now I hope you are understanding this. This is a separate part, main part of this question. Last question of exercise is also similar. So I am going to erase it now. We will go for area of part number 4. Area of part 4. Area of part 4. What is part number 4? Right triangle. So area of part number 4, you can mark it as a right triangle here, okay? Here separately 6 centimeter, here 1.5 centimeter. So we will write it as area of part 4 again, which is right triangle. And you know formula for area of a right triangle, it is half into base into height. So what is base? You can use anyone as base, anyone as height. I am using 6 as base and height as 1.5 centimeter square. It will go on 3. So you will get 4.5 centimeter square answer. And for the fifth part also you have to repeat the same. This is 4.5 then. Then we will go for fifth part. Fifth part also similar, repeat the same. Area of part 5, which is again a right triangle. Right triangle. So area of part 5, which is a right triangle. Again you have to use formula half into base into height, or half into 6 into 1.5 centimeter square, or it will go on 4.5 centimeter square. So they are areas of these 5 parts. Now we will write area of this total figure. For writing its total area, I need to erase this, okay? So I am going to erase this whole part. Now we will write area of paper. What they have given, find the total area of paper used. So we will write therefore area of paper used. Area of paper used. And how much area of paper used is it is actually sum of areas of these 5 parts. So you have to write in this way, sum of areas of 5 parts. What are they? Write their areas. First part's area is 2.487 centimeter square. Second part has 6.5 centimeter square. Third part has 1.299 centimeter square. And last 2 are having 4.5 centimeter square each. So we have to write these together. Now we have to write our final answer. So let me write their addition here. You can note down if you want. 6.5. We can mark 0, 0. 1.299 and 4.5 each. So 4.5 each means this. So 16, 1 left. 18, 1 left. 10, 17, 22, 2 left. 10, 15, 19. So it is 19.286 centimeters square. This was a long question with 5 parts given. I hope you are understanding all these things in the easy way as I explained here. Try to solve it once again, especially the third part, because last question is same as this third part, which is about trapezium. Don't leave this question by thinking it is a big diagram, it will never come in papers. Any of the part may come without. Last 2 parts, it may be there in the form of rocket. So any kind of question may be there. Try to understand. Now we will start question number 4. Students, our question number 4 is a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. If the sides of triangle are 26, 28 and 30 centimeter and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter, find the height of the parallelogram. So one triangle given in which all the three sides are given. So let's draw a triangular shape in which 26, 28 and 30 centimeter three sides are given. But one thing is clearly given, parallelogram stands on the base 28. So 28 side is common in triangle and parallelogram. So mark it as base of this triangle. Other two sides you can mark anywhere. I am marking them as 26, 30 here. Then we will draw a parallelogram with base 28. Let's draw in this way. Suppose this is our parallelogram, which is here, suppose in this direction. And here, one thing you have to remember, you mark the parallelogram, little bit more accuracy we need, so properly mark, it should look like a parallelogram first, okay? So this is our parallelogram whose base is 28 and a triangle whose base is 28. But you know, in a triangle we have all the three sides, we can easily find its area. In parallelogram you have only base and you need to find height of this parallelogram. Height not given, but their areas are equal, so it is quite clear from the starting line. Their areas are equal, so we will put their areas equal and then we will solve for height. So let's write in this way. See, solution. In triangle, okay, in triangle you can give it name ABC. In triangle ABC, let, what is the first side? You can mark any as A, any as B, any as C. So I am writing A as 26, B as 28 and C as 30 centimeter. Then write semi-perimeter, sum of three sides over 2, 26, 28 and 30 over 2, their sum, and they will give 84 over 2 or 42 centimeter on cancellation with 2. Then we have to solve it by Heron's formula. By Heron's formula, you can find area of this. Formula of area of triangle ABC. So its area S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now fill values. S is 42, 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28, 42 minus 30 centimeter square outside, and here we will solve it further. 42 minus 26 will give 16, then 14, lastly you have 12 centimeter square outside. Or factors of 42 are, yes, 2 into 3 6, 6 into 7 42, and factors of 16 are 2 4 times. 14's factors are 2 into 7, and of 2 are 2 into 2 4 into 3 12 centimeter square outside. So we have 2 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 8 times means 4 times out. So we are writing 2 4 times outside. 3 how many times? 1 2 times inside, so 1 time out. 7 2 times inside, 1 time out, and nothing is left. And their answer will be 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 into 2 16 into 3 48 into 7 336 centimeter square. This is area of triangle. Now we have to write area of parallelogram. So I am going to erase it. Let's mark the name of parallelogram. BC. You mark up to C. D E. You will mark it. Okay, this BCDE, and this one you can mark as M here. You can give any name, otherwise without name also it is acceptable. You will write now area of parallelogram. You can mark BCDE. Its area of parallelogram, base into height, or in terms of sides we can mark BC into EM. But here you have value of BC. BC is 28 centimeter, but we don't have EM. You know, but in question given, area of parallelogram equal to area of triangle. So if their areas are equal, we can say this 28 centimeter into EM equal to 336 centimeter square. Then EM equal to 336 centimeter square over 28. Now see how on what number we can cancel it. 28 into 128 2. It will go on 12 centimeter. One time cancelled, one time left. So we have 12 centimeter. So we can write therefore height of a parallelogram is 12 centimeter. So this is our question number 4. An important question also for examination. It came many of the times in papers also. Try to remember it. After this we will start question number 5. Students, next question number 5 is a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meters, find how much area of the grass field will each cow be getting. So very first thing you should mark shape like a rhombus, and suppose this is our rhombus shaped field ABCD, in which each side is given equal to 30 meters. This is actually rhombus shaped field in which cows are grazing. Then longer diagonal is given equal to 48 meters. Longer, there are two diagonals in the rhombus, vertical and horizontal. And in a rhombus we mark vertical diagonal as a longer one and horizontal as shorter. So suppose it is 48 meters. Then you have to find how much area of grass each cow will get. Means there are 18 cows actually. First of all, you should know about total area of this field. 18 cows are grazing in this total area. Then each one will get area equal to total area over 18. So we have to find its area first. Now there are two parts. First part, second part. See, their dimensions are same. 30, 30, 48 for first. 30, 30, 48 for the second one. So we will write calculation for only one part. For the other one we will mark similarly, and in that we will add their areas to get total area of this figure, and then we will go for area of grass for each cow. So we will write one by one. See, let ABCD be the given rhombus shaped field in which what we have, you can mark all the sides equal AB, BC, CD and DA or AD. They all are 30 meter each, and diagonal which is longer actually you can mark, and longer diagonal to make it very clear, which is we marked as AC, okay, 48 meters. Now right here, now in triangle ABC, let small a, small b, small c. Give three names to three sides. I am going to write area for only one part, whose name is A, B, C. Here 30, this one is 48. First part only. So give them names, small a, b, c. I am going to write AB as 30 meters, BC as small b or 30 meters, and small c which is AC 48 meters. They are in meters, and you can give them names small a, small b, small c, otherwise no need. Then we write semi-perimeter always as a plus b plus c over 2, or 30 plus 30 plus 48 over 2. It will give 108 over 2 or 54 meters. Then go for its area. So I am going to erase this part. Therefore by Heron's formula says area of this figure, area of which triangle? ABC. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So we have this formula for area again and again. We are repeating the same. Now area will be, S means 54. I'm writing again here, okay, 54. 54 minus A means 30, 54 minus B means again 30, 54 minus C means 48. Meter square unit of area outside. Here you have 54 their difference 24. Here also one more time 24, and lastly their difference is 6. Now we have right ones. Okay, this 24 is forming a pair one time out. Inside you have 54 into 6 meter square outside. Now 54 vectors are, yes, you can mark into here. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, into 2 54, and 6 is having 2 into 3 factors. So here 2 times, so 1 time out, 3 4 times, 2 times out, and we will mark now our final answer of this area in meter square. See what answer is there? 18 into 24, 24 into 18, 72 7, 432. It is 432 meter square. Now you can mark similarly. I am going to erase this part. We can complete now easily. So we have to write similarly. We can mark area of, what was triangle number 2 used as ABCD, and here you mark AC. So its name of part number 2 is ACD. Area of triangle ACD equal to again 432 meter square. Therefore area of rhombus shaped field will have area equal to sum of areas of area of triangle ABC and area of ACD, and each is equal to 432 meter square. So total is 864 meter square. This is the total area in which 18 cows are grazing. So therefore area of field required for 18 cows, this is 864 meter square. Then area of field required for 1 cow, unitary method, 864 over 18 meter square. Now solve it. It will be our answer. How much will come here? Okay, let's see. 864 over 18. So it will go on 4, 72, 14. It will go on 8, 144. So it will 48 meter square. So therefore each cow will get area equal to 48 meter square. This was our question number 5. Thanks for watching this video.